kids. I am not racing, I'm doing the intro. We got Mike here in his BMW M4. We got Dave over there in his BMW M4. Track Girl is in her pink Ferrari, and Phoebe's cute. Say hi, Phoebe. Anyway, let's race.
3, 2, 1, go.
I'll be in a minute, man.
We got the BMWs, bumping bumpers. We got Track Girl, well, it wasn't the lead. Dave's taking over, Mike's behind him, hold up. We got major bumpage here with the BMWs, but Track Girl's in front now.
I'm not waiting for you to go.
Give him Track Girl. Oh, that'll teach him. Continue.
Whoa, whoa,
Keep going. Mike, you need fuel. Everybody needs fuel, probably.
Yes, I am.
Mike, you need
Oh,
fuel.
you're sold out of long
Yeah, it's in the wrong lane.
You're not getting any more either, I'm sure.
Yep, I'm on your thing,
Oh,
remember?
okay. Julie, you need
Well,
fuel.
I snoozed and I lost, so.
Oh, good lord.
All right, thank you.
I'm just going to get fuel.
All right, fine.
You gotta hold the button down, dear.
So somebody's about to lose their wing. You want this back there?
Yeah, it's going through the water.
Oh.
I pushed it.
No, you didn't.
I did.
You did not. You gotta hold it
No,
down.
he's got to start all the way in the back.
You gotta hold it down, not just push it.
Never mind.
Hold the button down. Yeah, you both have lost.
Fine.
There went my wing
Get off my
on the
ass.
track right here.
This is a 55, lady.
Now it's working.
There you go. Where's Mike's wing?
I got it.
Yeah, I told him he was about to lose it somewhere.
Chaos. Mass chaos.
Oh, good, I'm by myself.
Not for long.
Catch up.
Now you guys are rolling.
Yeah, you're in the groove.
Rudy, you need to think about gas.
Nice.
Dave, you need to think about gas. Julie, you need to think about gas. Rudy, you didn't get enough gas. I don't know what you did.
Get that thing out of my way.
I had it with you, Dean. Going down. Oh, get.
There you go. There you go. That's it. Go. Good job, everybody. Nice
Oh,
one,
good
Mike.
save.
Nice recovery.
That was cool.
Another one. Got a good race going here, you guys. Hold up.
Sorry, Mike.
That might get about a half a lap in there.
Okay. Sorry, I
There
didn't see
you
it
go.
was down. There, I saw he was down.
It's easy to miss watching your own car. Right? Okay.
I'm waiting for you, motherfucker.
Rudy needs gas.
Oh,
Rudy
Mimo
needs gas.
Again?
I think you're going too quick or something. I don't know.
I poked a hole in your tank when you weren't
Oh,
looking.
race over. Good job, everybody.
Did I win? I did.
You got third. Mine got
Well,
second.
that's last. That's not good.
You want to do times, Dave?
Yes, sir.